Meaning of electorally.
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 Electorally. The word electorally is an adverb that refers to something related to an election or voting process. In the context of politics, it describes outcomes or decisions that are influenced by voters. In an electorally driven society, political candidates and parties will often tailor their messaging and actions to appeal to the electorate. This can include policies that are popular with voters, as well as campaigns that aim to increase voter turnout. Ultimately, the success or failure of a candidate or party is determined by how electorally appealing they are to the population. In this way, the power rests in the hands of the people, making electoral politics a core component of democratic societies.